selection sort. How does it work? I take one array. Okay, just take one array. This will be 64, 25, 12, 22, 11. Okay, so what is the process of selection sort? Actually, it will find out the minimum element and it will position on its exact position where it should be. So what is its process like that? Now it have to find out the minimum element in each pass. How will it work? Just see. If I consider first pass, so in first pass what it will do, its first position is 64. So after 64, for rest of array this will find out minimum element. I just give its index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after first element in first pass, it will move from 1 to 4. This will be the index and it has to find out the minimum element. So what is minimum element? 11. So in that case, it will swap with its this element, current element. So after swapping, this will be 11, 25, 12, 22, 64. So this is now our updated array. So in second pass, it will move from, we have to just neglect first element. Okay, now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In second pass we will move from 2 to 4. That means second index to fourth index, and here we have to find out minimum element and we will point to first element, this one. So after this, what is minimum element? 22. So we will swap 12 with 25. 12 is minimum element, so 12 with 25 we will swap. So after swapping, what will be? 11, 12, 25, 22, 64. Okay, so this part is now swapped and now our pointer will go on 25, and for remaining element we have to see the what is minimum element in third pass. This will move from 3 to 4. So from 3 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is minimum element? Here was 12. Here from 3 to 4, 22. So 22 will be swapped with 25. So after swapping, it will be 11, 12, 22, 25, 64. So till here it is swapped. Now in fourth pass, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in fourth pass it has to go from 4 to 4. So that means this one is the pointer and this is the remaining element. So we have to check if this is minimum element. No, minimum element is still 25, so there is no need to swap, and this will be 11, 12, 22, 25, 64. So this part is already swapped. So last element is also swapped. Sorted. These elements are already sorted. So last element is already also sorted because this is the largest element. So like this selection sort will work. Let's see this selection sort code. Actually, I have taken here main function. I have taken here n is the number of elements in this array, and for each element, I have taken inside this of array, and I have called selection sort function. So just see how selection sort will work here. So already discussed, I will traverse from first element till second last element for I in range len air minus 1. And here I will take minimum index. This will be I. Then for j in range this will be a start from I plus 1 to last element till length array. So I have to compare if any other element is minimum than this element which I have taken in index minimum index. So I will compare if array j is less than array minimum index, then I will update minimum index with j. If that is lesser than, if array j is lesser than array minimum index, then I will update that one with minimum index. Okay, so this will be the minimum index element. So after this for loop, what I have to do, I have to swap this element which are positioned at I with minimum index. So here I will swap array I with array minimum index. So this will be array minimum index and this will be array I. Here array I, this element like first element. So first element will be swapped with whatever will be minimum index element through that one. Okay. So it's fine. It's already sorted now. It should be sorted. So just run this program. Enter the number of elements. 95 number of elements. 23, 67, 12, 89, 23 again. So see, this is sorted 12, 23, 23, 67, 89.